Hey, dude, I just want to show you a very card. Okay, now you see this card? Set it down over here. Now, I'm just gonna put your card on the top, right there. I'm gonna shuffle, right? Okay. Now I'm gonna look for a card, right? Look for a card. I know it's not your card. I'm just gonna take this card. I'm gonna put it on the top. And just by putting it on the top, I've just turned it into a very cool magic card. This. One, two, three. See that? See that? Yeah. It's very cool. Just to tell you, this one card. Thank you for watching.